Hello, my name is Dylan. I'm the product owner, and I'll be going over a quick demo of the project. The landing page contains information about Air2Tree. There's also a projects page, which contains existing projects that Air2Tree manages. Now, if somebody decides they want to sign up, they can click the sign up button, and that will bring us to the lead generation form, which Bilal will explain now.
If you want a business account, this is the same goes for a lead or donator. You simply click next step, it allows you to verify it, then you can confirm and submit it if the details are correct, and then if you go back to actually look at the buyer's application, it says your application is under review. This would be the same, like you could fill the application out for the seller, and you can also fill out the application for the donator. Here, the admin can see all the lead gen, like all the lead forms that are generated. You can also accept or reject it or revert the changes.
Now, once a lead generation form gets approved of one of the three user types, they get access to their respective dashboards. For the sellers, they can see all their current projects, including the one they got approved, and also a tab to submit more projects. Within the project view, sellers can track the CRUs their land has yielded to date, as well as many other stats related to their project. We also designed a buyer dashboard. However, because of the attention shift to the MRV component, this is just mock data for now. But you can see the idea that buyers can track the portfolio they're funding, and most importantly, access the CRU certificates for reporting. The donator or supporter dashboard is very similar, except it's more catered towards the impact they're having on the planet rather than formal certificates. Now, this tab is the most important and relates to the MRV server we built from the ground up to handle all calculations regarding turning forest data into carbon credits. Scrolling down, an admin can zoom into a specific project and see what the MRV server is calculating. It measures the forest biomass, converts it to CO2, and crucially, only counts the new growth since the project's baseline. That's the number of credits that we can issue to this project. An admin can also adjust parameters like reducing the carbon fraction or increasing the buffer reserve and see every number update live. Lastly, there's also a methodology and equations tab with a quick reference of every formula that is used. And that concludes the demo.